Hi, and welcome back. We are going to be making Medicare simple. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Medicare Advantage HMOs. It's a popular option for receiving your Medicare benefits. We're going to explore what HMOs are, their pros and their cons, and how to choose the right one for you. Now, what is a Medicare Advantage plan? Well, HMO stands for Health Maintenance Organization, and it's a type of Medicare Advantage program where you typically need to choose a primary care physician within the plan's network. And your primary care physician is going to coordinate all of your care and provide you with referrals for specialists. HMOs often have a lower out-of-pocket cost compared to the other types of Medicare programs like Medicare supplements or PPOs. But they do have more strict rules about seeing doctors outside of the network. Now, if you go out of network, your care may not even be covered, except for, and please, I need you to hear me say this, in the case of an emergency. You will be covered for emergencies. Now, there's benefits and drawbacks of HMOs, and one of the main benefits of an HMO is that often you have lower premiums, lower deductibles, lower co-payments, especially compared to the other Medicare programs. They also emphasize on preventative care and care coordination. However, a major drawback is the network restrictions. You generally need a referral from your primary care physician to see a specialist, and out-of-network care is usually not covered except for emergencies. Now, this can limit your choice of doctors and hospitals. HMOs are a good option for people who are comfortable with managed care and prioritize lower costs. Lastly, how to choose the right HMO for your needs. When choosing an HMO, start by checking if your preferred doctors and hospitals are in the plan's network. Consider your healthcare needs and whether the plan covers the services that you need. You're also going to want to compare the costs, including premiums, co-payments, and out-of-pocket maximums. Read reviews and check the plan's star ratings, and make sure that the plan is available in your area. And if you travel frequently, consider whether the HMO offers any coverage for out-of-area care. If you need a specialist, make sure that they are in the network. Picking options can be confusing and at times consuming. Feel free to reach out to me. I can help you check all of the Medicare plans in your area and help you find that one that fits your needs. Now, Medicare HMOs offer a structured approach to healthcare with a focus on cost effectiveness and care coordination. Understanding their benefits and drawbacks and carefully considering your needs will help you choose the right HMO plan for you. For personalized guidance, you can utilize helpful resources like my Plan Comparison Toolkit and Medicare Checklist, or you can simply contact me directly and schedule your one-on-one call.